Have you ever marveled at individuals who seem to effortlessly excel in their fields, rising to the top and becoming the very best at what they do? It's a journey we've all contemplated, but often the path to this mastery can feel elusive, and reaching the pinnacle might seem unattainable. So, if you find yourself in the same boat, you're in for a treat. Becoming the best at what you do is not a privilege, it's a process that can be unlocked. And in this video, we're about to unveil the key strategies and mindset required to achieve excellence in any endeavor. We'll dive into the 10 crucial steps that can transform you from an amateur to a true master. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey of mastery and become the best at what you do, let's get started. Number 10. Cultivating grit and perseverance. Thomas Edison once wisely noted, "Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up." And this insight is the essence of grit and perseverance. When you're striving to become the best at what you do, it's imperative to possess the ability to navigate through setbacks and stand resolute in the face of adversity. In such times, your grit serves as your personal growth engine, the relentless fuel that keeps your journey moving forward. Perseverance, on the other hand, is the ladder that leads to the summit of success. Think of it like you're climbing a mountain. Along the way, you find rocks and boulders. These are the challenges in your path. But here's what you do. You don't let them stop you. Instead, see them as stepping stones to help you climb higher. Now, what about mistakes and setbacks? Well, they're like signposts telling you not to go next time. Each one is a little push toward getting better. Once you get the hang of this, you become stronger and more determined, paving your way to success. Number 9. Harnessing the power of visualization. Think of visualization as a superpower for your mind, a secret weapon to help you achieve success. It's like creating a mental movie of your dreams coming true. But what's the magic behind it? Well, it works wonders. First, when you vividly imagine yourself reaching the peak of your abilities, you're essentially reprogramming your mind for victory. And it gets even more exciting from here. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's turbocharging your confidence. When you see yourself conquering your goals in your mind's eye, it does wonders for your motivation and self-belief. It's like a sneak peek into your future achievements, a constant reminder of where you're headed. And here's the kicker. The more you practice this visualization, the more your goals start to feel real and within your grasp. Number 8. Nurturing a growth mindset. A growth mindset is like fertile soil for your potential. It is the belief that you can continually develop and improve, making it an essential trait for your journey to mastery. But how does it work? Well, consider two colleagues, Alex and Lisa, both tasked with a complex project. Alex embodies a growth mindset and embraces the challenge, viewing it as a chance to learn and evolve. Every setback in his way is seen as a stepping stone toward progress. In contrast, Lisa, with a fixed mindset, finds this project daunting and believes her abilities are limited. She is easily discouraged by obstacles. This is the difference between someone who has a growth mindset and someone who doesn't. And it's all because when you cultivate this mindset, you are better equipped to face challenges with resilience and enthusiasm. Challenges become opportunities for learning, and setbacks are transformed into stepping stones toward excellence. Your open-mindedness and commitment to continuous improvement set you apart, enabling you to shine and thrive in your chosen field. Number 7. Setting smart goals. Setting goals is crucial, but making them smart takes it to a whole new level. SMART is the game-changing acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In simpler terms, your goals should be crystal clear, quantifiable, doable, directly linked to your dreams, and come with a deadline. Imagine setting SMART goals as a precise roadmap to your destination of success. It's not about vague ideas, it's about being clear and purposeful. When your goals are SMART, you can easily track your progress, stay focused, and hold yourself accountable. It's the difference between saying, "I want to get better at this," and saying, "I want to improve this skill by 20% in the next 3 months. See the difference? SMART goals turn your big dreams into practical, achievable steps, making your journey toward excellence more straightforward and attainable. Number 6. Building self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Think of it as the solid foundation of a sturdy building. Without it, everything else may crumble. So how do you construct self-efficacy? It all starts with celebrating small victories. Each time you conquer something minor, your confidence gets a boost. It's like a snowball effect. These small wins accumulate, and before you know it, you're daring to tackle more substantial challenges with the same assurance. The trick lies in stringing together a series of successes, regardless of how seemingly insignificant they are. These achievements act as personal proof that you're capable, and the best part? Your self-efficacy grows with each victory. Before you realize it, you're taking on more significant challenges with the same confidence you had when you triumphed over the small stuff. It's like your secret ingredient for achieving excellence, one small success at a time. Number 5. Mastering emotional intelligence. Did you know that a significant percentage of individuals who achieve success possess a high level of emotional intelligence? Think of emotional intelligence as your superpower in understanding and managing not only your own emotions, but also those of others. In the real world, it's often not just what you know, but how you interact with yourself and those around you that truly counts. To become a master of emotional intelligence, focus on nurturing your people skills, empathy, and self-awareness. These qualities become your secret weapon for gracefully navigating complex social situations, building strong relationships, and facing challenges with resilience and adaptability. It's that elusive quality that distinguishes top performers from the rest. So, keep honing your emotional intelligence. It's the key to leveling up in both your professional and personal lives. Number 4. Practicing mindfulness and focus. In our fast-paced world, mindfulness and focus act as your anchor, keeping you grounded amidst the chaos. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in the moment. It's like hitting the pause button in your mind and immersing yourself in what you're doing right now. Focus, on the other hand, is the ability to direct your attention like a laser beam. It's about zeroing in on your goals and tasks without letting your mind wander. When you combine mindfulness and focus, you become a powerhouse of productivity and effectiveness. In essence, these two habits are your secret weapons on your journey to excellence. They enable you to cut through the noise, make crystal clear choices, and tackle challenges with unwavering determination. So remember that in a world that never seems to slow down, it's mindfulness and focus that make all the difference in your quest to be the best. Number 3. Harnessing positive self-talk. Your inner voice can either be your biggest cheerleader or your harshest critic. Positive self-talk is like having your own personal cheerleader, replacing self-doubt with a strong belief in yourself. It's all about transforming those negative thoughts into something constructive and encouraging. When you maintain a positive conversation with yourself, you're not just boosting your self-confidence, you're also kicking limiting self-beliefs to the curb. It's akin to having a supportive coach in your mind, nudging you toward greatness. Remember, what you tell yourself directly influences your actions and, in the long run, your success. So be kind to yourself. Challenge those negative thoughts and watch how positive self-talk can truly transform your mindset and outcomes. Your self-belief can move mountains. Number 2. Strengthening resilience. Resilience is your superpower for bouncing back when life throws you a curveball. Life's like a roller coaster, isn't it? Full of wild twists and turns. But here's the scoop. Those setbacks aren't there to break you, they're the spark for your inner fire. Think of them as stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Boosting your resilience is like growing mental muscles that help you conquer obstacles and keep on trucking. It's about having the grit to rise after you stumble, brush off the dust, and keep marching even when things get tricky. The more resilient you become, the better equipped you are to handle life's wild ride, complete with its ups and downs. Number 1. Effective time management for excellence. Time management is the holy grail of productivity. It's not about putting in endless hours. It's about working smarter. Excelling isn't just about what you do, but how efficiently and effectively you do it. That's where mastering time management becomes crucial. So what's the trick? Prioritize your tasks, set boundaries, and kick those time-wasting activities to the curb. It's all about mastering the time you have. When you use your time wisely, you not only get more done, but also free up space to invest in becoming the absolute best in your field. Remember, it's not about doing more, it's about doing it better. And time management is your ticket to excellence. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.